Hey guys, it's Chase.
I'm Erin.
From the Castle Couple. Today we're back in the dorm and we have a hefty box from Popcultcha. So we got another mystery box.
And Chase ordered a couple extra things.
Yeah, and I ordered a few extra things because I got free shipping.
So we'll show you the extra things he got too. But
Yep.
And we're also gonna open the mystery box.
So excited.
So Chase is gonna attempt to open the box. It's taped very intensely.
Yeah, it's like serious. Okay, so the first one I got is Moon Knight in a jumping pose. Oh gosh, that's a bad glare. There we go. We'll show you guys again at the end, like what they look like. But I've been watching a lot of the Marvel things on Disney Plus, so I really like Moon Knight, and they had a cool like. Look at him, he's cool. Second thing I got was like definitely it's glow in the dark. Did not know that, and it's special edition. But it's Iron Man from Avengers Endgame when he does like the finger snap thing and dies. Sad face. But again, watching some of the Marvel movies again, really liked him. Didn't realize he was glow in the dark though. I'll be interested to see like how glow in the dark is glow in the dark because this is our first glow in the dark one.
Yeah.
This is also our first, other than this one. These are our first Marvel ones. And then this is what got me to free shipping. This is Mickey on the Matterhorn bobsleds. He's a little keychain for Disneyland. We're going to Disneyland. Had to just quick mention that in there, which I'm sure we announced in the last video too.
It's probably been in all the videos since our last Disney vlog.
Yeah.
Because I know it's in there, so.
So yeah, cute. He was on sale though. He was only like $2, and I was like, oh, he'll get me the free shipping. Okay, so that's what I ordered separate than our mystery box.
Okay, so I think this is the bottom.
Okay, try to open them from the bottom. Again, Funkos have like the little pictures of them on the top. So if you open them from the bottom, you get a bigger surprise. I can't even get this box open.
Okay, who's going first?
They're all white. Like the last one, we had one different one. Do you want to go first or you want me to go first?
I go first.
Pick a box, any box. You want the middle one. It's a hot.
We got the main. So if you saw the last unboxing, I'll link it up in the description. We got, what's his name? Alexander. That one.
Nitro Cough. That's what his name is. He's in my room.
And now we have Meg, which is like so funny.
It's a sign. When we go to Disneyland, the Haunted Mansion's going to be our favorite ride.
That's because it's going to be Nightmare Before Christmas.
Yeah. Alright, I think I'm going to just go with that same row.
Okay.
I think I'm going to pick this one. I peeked at the back.
That's why you wanted that one.
It's
Timon.
Timon from the live action Lion King.
Look at his little eyes!
I love him. We haven't seen any of the Lion King ones, like when we go places in store.
No.
So, are you gonna go with that last one? What'd you get? Oh boy. It's from the 30th.
I like him. It's your turn.
I'm gonna go with this middle one.
What is that?
It's from Kingdom Hearts.
Oh.
It's the I used to play this one. I can't remember the guy's name. His name is Sora, but it's like from Toy Story. Like it's an actual like it's a video game, if you didn't know that. It's a video game and like it's basically, you know the new Disney game, that Kingdoms one that I play? It's like that, but you get to fight different villains, like actual fight and stuff. It's definitely one I wouldn't have bought.
Interesting.
Okay. last one.
Oh no. Oh no! We got this one last time!
We didn't get Moana last
Yes,
time.
we did.
Oh yeah, we did get Moana last time. We got Olaf as Moana.
We got him in our last box.
Yeah.
So we already have him.
He's still really cute though.
Yeah.
But we already have. Sad face. So that was all we got. We'll show you guys like individual pictures of them and stuff like that from Popcultcha. How would you rate the box? I would.
It was different than last time.
It was a lot different than last time. This one was the only one that was the same. The rest of them I feel like were pretty good. The Kingdom Hearts one is kind of growing on me. At first I was like, Kingdom Hearts, not really a big fan. It's growing on me a little bit.
I like Gaston.
It's bringing back nostalgia. Gaston's cool. My favorite's Timon though. He's going up on the shelf. Alright, so we're gonna actually scan the Funkos on the Funko Pop app. If I can find it on my phone here. And it'll give you like the price breakdown of each Funko, like what it's worth. So we got, first off, we got Stitch. Stitch is worth $14. Smiling Seated Stitch is his name. $14, not bad. Add to my collection. Welcome to the collection, bud. Okay, do you want to do the maid next?
Yeah.
Okay, so next up is the Haunted Mansion maid. And if I can scan this, scan another. Sorry, I'm getting new to this whole app thing. So the Haunted Mansion maid, $11. So we're up to $25 in 2 Funkos, which is a pretty good deal. Add to collection. Do you want to do Gaston next? Because he's over by you. Scan another. Gaston's $14, so we're up to, what is that, $39? Okay, we got Timon. He's gonna be the most expensive, I can feel it. $3? What's wrong with him? He's so cute. Why do people hate him? I love him. $3, that's so heartbreaking. So we're up to $42, that's so sad. Add to collection. I'm so depressed now. So this is Sora Toy Story. I feel like this one's gonna be worth, yeah. So this one's worth $9. Add to collection. Now these prices do vary per like retailer and stuff like that. So they can be more expensive, they can be less expensive, whatever. So Olaf Moana, I think we already have this one scanned on our collection, but is $28. And Timon was $3. Okay, so we were at 42, and 9 is 51, and 28 is 79? Question mark? I'm terrible at math. This is bad. I wonder if the little thing will scan. The little keychain. Let's see. So for the Mickey keychain, he's $7. He's worth more than Timon. I'm gonna write Funko an email.
You do that.
So, but that wasn't part of our mystery box. So our mystery box was at 78, right?
9, I think.
79. That's not bad though, because it's only 50, right?
Well, in Australian.
In Australian, it's $50, but this is set in American dollars, so I don't know what the conversion would be.
In American dollars, our $50 box would be even less than $50. So
Oh yeah, it would
we
be.
definitely got more money's worth in the box.
For sure, yeah. So Mickey is 7. He's added to the collection. Now Moon Knight, I don't think Moon Knight will be a whole lot because he's not super. 13. That's not bad. I feel like he's gonna be a lot because he's special edition and he glows in the dark, which is something I didn't know when I purchased
We
it.
didn't add
Iron Man. I am Iron Man metallic. He's metallic? No way. I gotta open this up. He's $22. How is Olaf more expensive than one that glows in the dark?
Olaf, the man, the myth, the legend himself.
So, that's gonna do it for unboxing here today. We're gonna show you some B-roll of the boxes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys around the kingdom.
Bye.
Bye.